Hi friends, this is Josie and I'm out here enjoying a fire. This was massive earlier. Oh, and I see I have to actually push these things into the fire so they get burned. I got rid of all my I had a huge bag of year-long debris that's in here. Now it's ashes, which is great. Almost all ashes. There's still some paper in here, I see. And then I added some wood, but some of the, oh, this is a tree stump. Some of the wood was still a little bit damp because we've had a lot of, see, there's some paper that still needs to be burned up. I'm out here with the piggy punks today. So anyway, trying to burn all these last things because I save up all my stuff all year in a big bag that has my name on it or receipts or whatever, and then I burn it once a year. I have a big burn. It's kind of cathartic. And then I had to take a couple of trees that had fallen down, and here's one of them. Let me show you. Take you over here. This one's still alive. It's a bush anyway, but this one fell and it was my favorite. I loved it, but I've used it for a lot of doll photo shoots, which has been great, but I'm slowly taking it apart so I don't have to hire someone to, because it's too big for me to move. So I'm just slowly taking it apart so I can, see, there's the piggy punks over there. There's two of them. There's Scoob and TT. Where's Shag? Hey, where'd Shag go, you guys? Is he over here with you? Hey, Scoob. Where's your brother? Oh, I see him. He's way over there. Okay. So anyway, and it's rained a ton, so I have all these little clover things, and they're eating dates off of this tree again. You know, there's that tree, the queen palm, instead of eating the clover. So they usually will eat this stuff. But anyway, I thought I'd come out here before I got started on the house and had a cup of Ticino. It's mint blend, roasted herb, but it's prebiotic, acid free, caffeine free. But a friend of mine, my hands are really dirty because I've been pulling stuff off. A dear friend of mine said that it was really, really good, so I'm gonna try some right now. Oh my gosh, it is. It's minty and chocolatey. It's mint cocoa, or no, not mint something or other. I don't know. Mint mocha or something like that. It's really, really good. It's one of my favorite cups. Chocolate is also always the answer. All right, so I hope you're having a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.